talk to manifest it. Babies real quick on that. Let me bring you in my world. Now you know we don't call it a question, baby.
Eating in the fast lane, pedal to the floor, man. Trying to get back to her love, her love. Best believe she got that good thing. She my little hood thing. Ask around, know what? They know that's my heart. Baby, everybody know that's my heart.
It'll be you, yo,
How did you see the other one? It was hot. I kind of want to look at No, but the other one was like higher.
It was like, shit. I didn't even know what to do. It's recording.
It's recording.
It's recording.
No, it's not.
Trippy.
Fresh to death she is. From her steps to the set she is. So death might not let me live. You did fresh, yes she is. Had a feeling that it would be a day like this. The orchestra in my mind don't play like this, nah. But I'm prepared for it, got a little red for it. Brushed off my ears, even cut my hair for it. Cause normally I don't care for it. Don't even be looking for like that. The man go, yeah, right over there. So I prepared the poet, little scared, my stare lowered. Mama said have no fear. Plus I'm already out of my chair. Gather up my ears on my square from here forward. Nothing right, so here go it. Whisper in the ears, kinda crowded in here. Wish you cared.